There is no concern as far as whatever wrongs must have been done or whatever policy decisions which are gone wrongly by the state government. It has got nothing to do with the center. Prime Minister Narendra Ji Modi, his popularity is very high as far as national elections, general elections which are coming in 2024 are concerned. They look at Narendra Ji Modi as a Prime Minister. They look at him to take this country forward, to strengthen the country, strengthen the economy of the country, see that this country goes to the next level, par with America, par with certain European countries. अशें आमकां दिसता इंडियेच्या लोकांक. आतां पॉलिसी डिसिजन्स ऑफ द स्टेट जेन्ना रॉंग जाता तेन्ना सरकार चेंज जाता. नाजाल्यार इतले बॅड जावचें नासलें तें, म्हणजे इतली कमी सिटां येवची नासली बीजेपीची आनीक येवपाची. म्हणजे खंय तरी पॉलिसी डिसिजन तेंचे रॉंग जाल्ले as far as state government is concerned. It has got nothing to do with the central government.
Sir, same time we see all anti-BJP parties are coming together on the background of Lok Sabha election. What do you have to say? It will affect Goa?
The work what our central government, BJP government has done throughout the country, this will be seen by the people. Lokang dista, highway lokang dista, all the airports lokang dista, all the railway stations lokang dista, internal road state highways जे सेंटरान पैसे दिला ते लोकांक दिसता. एम्प्लॉयमेंट जे जनरेट केला नॅशनली अँड विदिन द स्टेट विच आर रूल्ड बाय द बीजेपी लोकांक दिसता. इट इज अप टू द पीपल टू डिसाइड वेदर दे वॉन्ट अ स्ट्रॉंग लीडर लायक नरेंद्र जी मोदी or no. It is very important for them to see whether they want a strong leader like Narendra Ji Modi, they want a strong home minister like Amit Bhai Shah, a party which has done so much of changes in the last 10 years in this small span of time. Internationally, how our Prime Minister is looked at. Internationally, how the bilateral relations with other countries have changed. People, country like Pakistan, which was continuously sending terrorists in India, have stopped or not. So yes, सगळे दिसता लोकांक.